Welcome back to our little three-part mini series on stress and how we might use essential oils to help us out of the overwhelm, or indeed today we're going to be talking brain fog.
Brain fog.
Yes,
brain
which
fog.
Is very common with stress, where it just all gets a little bit too much and the system everything slows down and our ability to function on all cylinders gets compromised.
Yes.
Yes.
I know that we've, in a prior video here, we've talked about peppermint before and its role in anti-inflammatory and clear breathing, helping breathing. But today we're talking about peppermint as it regards to stress.
Yes.
And peppermint is an oil that is known for mental acuity, for memory retention, clear thinking, that sort of thing. And for me, if I'm studying, if I am driving long distances, peppermint has been a tremendous tool for me to use. And generally what I can do is I take the top off and I put a drop or two in my hands. I rub my hands together, closing my eyes because peppermint makes my eyes water.
Yes.
Taking a very long, slow, deep breath. And I know that it clears the mental fog that sometimes when you are stressed, you find yourself not thinking clearly or appropriately, and you want to clear that fog out of the way. Peppermint is very, very handy to have.
It is. So a really nice tool for high school, uni, college, any sort of students, or indeed, at any time of life where you're required to sit down and sort of concentrate for longer periods of time, and for that focus, and just calms everything down. And it's a really nice tool to help family members or indeed ourselves around exams.
And you can do that by popping a couple of drops in a diffuser, and that's going to affect the whole environment. If you're at a workplace where you really need to focus a lot, or dropping a little mini diffuser that you can plug into your computer is an awesome companion.
There we go. So it's quite versatile. It doesn't have to be only for yourself or at home.
That's right.
With the peppermint, you can, like Onessa was saying, you can take it into the workplace or any area where people are required to concentrate for long periods of time.
Yes.
So
one of the other oils that I like, or a couple of the other oils actually that I like to also use along with peppermint, is rosemary, which is the oil for memory. So short-term, long-term memory, memory retention, and it's also very good for the nervous system. And you can put both of those, 2 drops of each, in a diffuser for the environment when you're studying or having to focus. And also you can add lemon to that, because lemon, with its constituent of limonene, is very uplifting, but it also helps clear the brain fog.
So that's it. Have some peppermint oil.
Indeed, yes.
Clear the brain fog.
Yes.
And then it's just a lot more relaxing to approach the world feeling a bit calmer as well, isn't it? And when you go out knowing that frontal lobe and all the adrenals and everything is calmed down, and it really is an important part of everyday life. Everything is so quick and fast and stressful and overwhelmed, and everyone's running from here, there, and lots of things to remember, and it's just, goodness, just even trying to remember your myriad of passwords for every time you log in on the computer. We don't realise how, we're constantly required to remember so many different things. So,
yes, I've thought of one more thing too. If you have children that study a lot or at school, there is a blend that our company has put together called In Tune, specifically formulated for focusing and for helping with studying, and it comes in a rollerball bottle, which I'm sure you have the picture up on the screen as well.
Yes, we'll definitely let you know what that looks like, and obviously there will be a link attached to this video so that you are able to access the doTERRA In Tune roller bottle.
The In Tune is very handy because you can carry it in a handbag, or the kids can carry it in their school bag and just roll it along the back of the neck or on the temples, and that really helps to maintain that focus and the ability to stay for a long period of time with the concentration.
Yes. Well, thank you, Onessa.
My pleasure.
Always lovely to have you. and hopefully you found that useful. And as per usual, we'd love to have you subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Till next time, thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye for now.